Welcome back, gadget enthusiasts. If you love discovering smart and innovative tools that make everyday life easier, you're in for a treat. Today, we're counting down 12 must-have household gadgets that will take convenience to the next level. From time-saving appliances to game-changing home essentials, these gadgets are designed to simplify your daily routine. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest and greatest tech. Now, let's dive in. Enjoy fresh, fizzy drinks at home with the Philips Sparkling Water Maker. This sleek, no-electricity soda maker lets you create sparkling water in seconds. Just fill, twist, and press to customize carbonation. Use cold water for the best bubbles. Compatible with any standard CO2 carbonator, it's an eco-friendly alternative to bottled soda. The BPA-free 1L bottle keeps drinks fresh longer. Its slim, stylish design fits any space, making it perfect for home or outdoor use. Upgrade your hydration with this easy-to-use sparkling water maker today. The AKDGI Food Vacuum Sealer is a must-have for keeping food fresh up to 10 times longer. Designed for continuous use without waiting, it features excellent material quality and long durability. With portable function integration, you can enjoy effortless sealing anytime. The stainless steel one-hand locking handle ensures easy operation, while the built-in storage compartment lets you store accessories conveniently. Enjoy sealing in one easy step with its 10-in-1 multifunction system, including dry mode, moist mode, liquid mode, canister mode, and pulse mode. Plus, it comes with vacuum bags, an extra gasket, and an air suction hose for all-in-one convenience. Preserve freshness and reduce waste with this powerful kitchen gadget. Transform food waste into nutrient-rich fertilizer with the Vego kitchen composter. Its 4-liter capacity efficiently processes scraps, enriching your garden. The smart LED display and auto mode make composting effortless, while various food waste types can be processed with ease. Free your hands with the automatic cleaning mode, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. Choose express mode for quick waste reduction, or fertilize mode for garden-ready compost, adapting to your needs. The glass lid with an internal light provides clear visibility, while its whisper-quiet operation maintains a peaceful kitchen. Safe, efficient, and odor-free, the Vego kitchen composter simplifies eco-friendly living. The X9 Ultra Vacuum delivers powerful 35,000 PA suction, effortlessly removing dust, pet hair, and debris from cars, homes, and offices. Its dual suction and blower function ensures deep cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. Featuring a long-lasting battery, it provides up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge. The cordless lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, while the HEPA filter ensures efficient dust collection and easy maintenance. The vacuum includes multiple nozzles for different surfaces, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Whether tackling everyday messes or deep cleaning, the MBNGF X9 Ultra is your go-to cleaning solution. The AlphaBot Cordless Electric Mop makes floor cleaning effortless and is easy to assemble. Its dual-spin motor rotates at 150 RPMs for min, tackling tough stains with ease. The built-in water sprayer ensures deep cleaning, while the LED headlight illuminates hidden dirt in dark corners. Achieve an effortless clean on various stains. Install the white mop pad for waxing and deep cleaning, and it's hand or machine washable. Its cordless design features a fast-charging 2000 mAh battery, delivering 40 to 50 minutes of cleaning per charge. A green light flashes when disturbed by an external force, ensuring smooth operation. Ideal for hardwood, tile, marble, and more, this mop keeps your home spotless with minimal effort. The Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is your go-to solution for tackling tough stains and odors on carpets, upholstery, and car interiors. Equipped with a Hydro-Rinse self-cleaning tool, it ensures easy maintenance after every use. Its portable and versatile design makes cleaning around your home a breeze, while the large 48 in tank capacity means fewer refills for uninterrupted use. For a dream cleaning team, in-house chemists craft formulas to optimize your machine, delivering instant and permanent stain removal with powerful plant-based cleaning materials. Featuring powerful suction, it effortlessly lifts pet spots, spills, and dirt from multiple surfaces. Specialty formula meets machine for the ultimate clean, permanently removing tough stains. Keep your home and car spotless with this must-have cleaning companion. Meet the Sunvivi Electric Dough Maker, your ultimate kitchen companion for effortless baking. Featuring a built-in weighing function, it supports 2.2 to 11 pounds of dough, ensuring precise measurements and consistent results. Its 5.2 quarts large capacity is perfect for making bread, pizza, buns, and more, while the ferment function speeds up dough preparation. The stainless steel bowl and removable kneading blade make cleaning a breeze. With low-noise operation, enjoy a peaceful baking experience. Whether you're a novice or an expert, this multifunctional dough mixer simplifies baking, making it a perfect gift for baking enthusiasts. Tired of lint and fuzz ruining your clothes? The Butyryl fabric shaver and lint remover is here to keep your garments looking brand new. Featuring 3 adjustable shaving heights, 2 speed modes, and a powerful 9,000 RPM motor, this device quickly removes fuzz, lint balls, and baubles with ease. With a large collection container, you can refresh multiple garments in one go without frequent emptying. Powered by AA batteries, it's perfect for home or travel use. Suitable for various fabrics, it comes with sharp, durable stainless steel blades, plus 2 extra blades for long-term efficiency. Get rid of unwanted fuzz effortlessly with this must-have household gadget. Keep your shoes fresh and dry with the 4-limb boot dryer. Its telescopic and bendable dry ports reach deep inside boots, while the 180-degree adjustable rack accommodates all footwear and gloves. The powerful forced air heating system quickly dries shoes within 1 to 2 hours, ensuring comfort and hygiene. Featuring an intelligent timer with automatic shutoff, you can customize drying times for different materials while saving energy. Designed for versatility, it works on shoes, boots, gloves, ski gear, and more. The quiet operation makes it ideal for home use, and its durable ABS construction ensures long-lasting performance. Say goodbye to damp, smelly shoes and enjoy dry, warm footwear every day with the 4-limb boot dryer. Upgrade your laundry with Chiaffi wool dryer balls. Made from 100% wool, these reusable dryer balls cut drying time by 35%, reduce wrinkles, and prevent static. They naturally soften fabrics, keeping clothes, towels, and sheets fluffy and cozy. With 1,000+ uses, they're an eco-friendly alternative to dryer sheets, saving energy and reducing waste. Just toss them in the dryer for faster drying and better airflow. Safe for sensitive skin and babies, they can also be infused with essential oils for a fresh scent. Enjoy softer, fresher laundry with Chiaffi. The Oxter foldable clothes drying rack offers stability and efficiency with its 4-legged support and 360-degree rotatable arms, allowing you to dry up to 27 pieces of clothing with ease. Its space-saving, foldable design and bottom pulley ensure effortless movement and storage. Lightweight yet durable, this portable drying rack is perfect for indoor and outdoor use, from home to camping trips. Designed for efficient drying, it promotes air circulation for faster results. Ideal for delicate sweaters or heavy towels, it keeps clothes fresh and dry. Whether you need to air dry, organize, or hang garments while ironing, this versatile laundry solution makes the process simple and convenient. The Holicme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit is a must-have for keeping your dryer lint-free and running efficiently. Designed for deep cleaning, it helps remove stubborn lint buildup, reducing fire risks and improving performance. The vent cleaning brush works manually or with a power drill for effortless lint removal, while the long vacuum attachment reaches deep behind appliances. With additional tools for tackling tight spaces and reinforced connections, this kit ensures a complete, hassle-free cleaning experience. Keep your home safer and your dryer working at its best with this essential maintenance tool. And that wraps up our list of 12 must-have household gadgets that can upgrade your daily life. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with fellow gadget lovers. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.